Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, Diabetes Prediction System. And I have developed this project in Python. And I have used the machine learning algorithms for predicting the diabetes. And I have used the logistic regression for predicting the diabetes, right? So for technology stacks, I have used the Python, Django, and the database. I have used the MySQL. For algorithm side, we have used the logistic regression and dataset I have used from the Kaggle website. Right, from Kaggle, I have used a dataset. So these backend technologies I have used for front-end development because this is a web application. So for front-end application development, I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used, like for form validations and date calendar plugin integrations. I have used the uh, jQuery plugins, right? So these all technology stacks I have used for developing this project, right? So this is a responsive theme, means this is a HTML5 and CSS3 integrated theme. And if you open this uh, web application in the mobile, then it will not be distorted because it's a bootstrap responsive theme, right? So let's start with the functionality, go through that what we have implemented in this project, right? So the project title is Diabetes Prediction System, and this is a mini project I have developed. Mini project means this is a very simple application where user will enter the data, and after that he will check that he is suffered from diabetic or not, that there are so once user enter the data, then we send it into the model for checking, and there is a trained model, and after that it returns true or false that user has diabetic or not, right? So this is this is the form, right? And this is the eight fields you need to enter. Once you enter these eight fields, and if you check and show result, then you will get the output, right? Number of pregnancy supposed to, glucose level it's 120, right? Blood pressure suppose and thickness is I think 200, right? Insulin to so it's at 2, BMI level suppose 304, right? You need to enter all of the information. Diabetic fungal infections, age is equal to suppose Hamilton 28, right? Once you enter all of the details, and these all fields are from the data set, right? So once you enter all the fields, and once you click on the check and show result, then it will check it by the machine learning using the logistic regression, and it will show you the result, right? You can see you are suffered from diabetes, right? And this is 82.47% correct record, right? Here you have here is a data which you have entered, right? And it's showing that logistic regression algorithm we have used, and the accuracy level is 82.47%, and you are suffered from diabetes, right? So you can check the data sets, right? And data set is available in the project, inside the project, and you can check the true values or false values to check the system is working fine or not, right? So this is a prediction form where you can enter the data and you can check that you are diabetes or not. This is a about project, and this is a normally static page, and if you want to change the content, if you want to change the image, if you want to add your names, just about open the about.html from the templates folder, and you can change the details there, and you can modify it according to your requirements. This is a contact us page. Again, this is a very simple page. I have added these two pages about us, contact us. This is a static things, right? I am not sending it a type of email, SMS, and even I'm not saving the value of this form anywhere into the database. So these two are the static pages, right? I have added. So the main part is this one where you have to enter your data, and once you enter the data, once you click on the check and show result, it will check by the system using the machine learning algorithm, and it will show you that you are suffered from the diabetes or not, right? So these all functionalities I have developed. Even I told you earlier, this is a mini project, right? If you want major project, there are a lot of functionalities you will get in the major project, and it's also available on our website, right? You can search it on, and there are a lot of functionalities we had developed there. Means you can upload your data sets, you can check the analysis graphs, a lot of things are there, right, in the Misa project, because many of the students has the requirement that they need a simple mini project in diabetes prediction system. That's why we developed this project, diabetes prediction system, using the machine learning, Python, and Django. right? If you need any enhancement in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate the changes. I will make this project more better and better according to requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest projects videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.